So this first artifact is my diploma, and this confirms my degree. You can see that it's in education. This shows not only a culture of academia, but that I am a teacher as well. If you look down, you notice that the graduation date is 1991, and this also shows that I'm no longer in the springtime of my youth, but in the autumnal season of my life. The next slide is of the New Testament of the Bible, which shows my religious culture of being a Christian. My microculture would be my Presbyterian background. You can also see that the underlined section and verses shown tell that it's active and not passive. The final section, the most complex one for last, and this is my animal identity, and I'm an animal owner with horses, dogs, and cats. The micro section are that the horses are dressage, which is way different from Western pleasure. The dogs are not only different breeds, but do different sports like nose work and dock diving. And finally, I have rescue dogs, all three of them, but they're from two different groups who have their own different jargon and lingo.